SOG power assist. Okay, quick review. Assisted opening. Works well. Go to close it. It will not close. Gotta use your fingernail like this because they didn't machine the lever properly. This side, the spring, weak, but closes no problem. So obviously a manufacturing error. Pliers, very nice, very smooth. All SOG multi-tools I've noticed are incredibly smooth compared to a Leatherman, Gerber, what have you. The small array of tools. You got seatbelt cutter, small screwdriver is what it's described as. You got a Phillips in there, a file, and a couple flatheads. Yeah, I was really excited about this one. Kind of disappointed about the manufacturing errors. However, I think I can fix it. I'm gonna remove these because they just hang you up. And yeah, that is the SOG Power Assist. Like and subscribe. Peace.